Nolita Nantes is quiet, working silently on her own. She's been here since Saturday when news of the plane crash spread, a volunteer serving food at Jessie Robredo's house in Naga City. And she does not plan to leave. Nantes says Robredo gave her children scholarships that sent them through school.
Sa totoo lang talagang mahirap. Kasi personally, itong family na ito malapit sa amin. Kasi naman siya pagdating sa mga ganyan na bagay, lalo na pagdating sa mga bata, sa mga pag-aaral nila, hindi magdadalawang isip yon. Personal money, magbibigay siya.
Nantes is one of about 50 people waiting outside Robredo's house for news. Any news regarding Robredo. It has been 2 days since the crash and there is still no word about Robredo and the 2 missing pilots. His eldest daughter Aika faces media for the first time and captures the mood of the family and the supporters. Hopeful but realistic.
At this point, we are still hopeful, pero medyo we are also realistic at the same time. So hanggang wala pa kaming alam, hanggang nag-aantay pa rin kami ng balita, humihingi kami na tuloy pa rin tayo magdasal. Kasi malay natin okay pa naman talaga.
From strangers to friends to family, all praying for the return of Robredo. Friends from all over the country come to support the family of the man they say always supported them.
He goes out of his way, even without calling for help. As a vice mayor of Marikina, I personally experienced his father-like care for me as a public official.
As days go by, hope slips away for his loved ones who are bracing for the worst. But Nantes says they will hold on to the little hope they have left because Robredo never gave up on them. Natasha Gutierrez, Rappler, Naga City.